Hey everybody, the registration for our 15 hours live classes is almost finished, so please register if you're interested in starting this week. Friday, we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 2 hours each, and then the remaining schedule will be discussed during this week. These live classes are group sessions with very small groups. You will have a very dedicated and very experienced teacher, Daniela, who's going to be teaching you over Skype. Now, these lessons are also going to be recorded, and you're going to have the opportunity to check them later if you would like to. You can also submit your writing and speaking for feedback during classes, get real-time feedback, get answers to your questions, get materials, tips, and tricks on all the modules. The schedule and all details will be sent to you via email once you make the purchase. The purchase link will be on the website. You can check it in the description as well. Again, slots are very limited, so join now and start this learning journey as soon as Friday. If you have any questions, feel free to email us as well. Email is in the description as well. Thank you.